Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can actually delete sections on your Squarespace website, guys. So this video is going to go ahead and help you guys out with that and teach you guys on how you guys can actually delete these sections on the website. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get right into today's tutorial. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is basically you're going to want to go ahead and click on your website. Now, once you are actually on the website editor, guys, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is click on design. Now from design, what you're going to want to go ahead and do now is you're going to want to look for the section you want to go ahead and target. So I'm going to go with this white section. Now we're going to go ahead and double click on it. So once you go ahead and double click on it, it's going to put you in this little section right here, and pretty much you can go ahead and select all these sections here that you want to go ahead and edit out. Now let's say I don't actually like this, I don't like this quote from this lady right here. I can just go ahead and delete it. Now let's say I just don't like this lady either. You just go ahead and delete her. So pretty much that's how you go ahead and delete stuff and delete sections. Now we're gonna go ahead and delete this person also, so just go ahead and delete the section, and boom, that's how you remove a section, guys. And that's pretty straightforward on how you guys can delete sections. So pretty much hopefully you guys found this video extremely helpful, guys, and if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your feedback, guys, because it really is important to the channel, guys, and it helps with the production. So with that out of the way, guys, and with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.